welcome to Techno Fiction. Today we are going to see group and categorize your data unit. In this unit, you will learn how to group and categorize your data in reports. To do this challenge, launch your playground and go to Reports. In Reports, select all folders and choose the Global Sales Report folder. In that, you can see opportunities by rep. In that, click Edit. Ensure that opportunity owner is grouped by rows. And next, in close date, click this arrow and select group columns by this field. And again, hover over group date by and then click calendar month. And next, toggle off detail rows and stack summaries. Next, save this report name as opportunities by rep and close month. So click save as and paste the name there. And change the description and select the folder as global sales reports and click save. And click run. Next, we have to use bucket fields. For that, we have to create an opportunity report. So in reports tab, click new report. Choose the report type as opportunities and click continue. In filters, check the close date is set to the range current FQ and then click apply. And in opportunity status, change it to open and then click apply. Next, in outline pan, remove the owner role, fiscal period, age, created date, lead source, and type. Next, we have to add a bucket field. So in outline pen, you can see a arrow near column. In that, you can find add bucket column. In that, for the bucket name, enter it as size. In field, choose as amount, and in range, enter the number as 5000 and the number and enter the bucket name as small and click add. Sorry, the range is 50,000 and the next range is 1 lakh and enter it as medium. And again, for 1 lakh and above, mention the name as large and click apply. Now we have to group the report by stage and opportunity owner. In opportunity owner, select this arrow and click group rows by this field, and do the same in stage by selecting group row by this field, and in size select group column by this field. So toggle off detailed rows, subtotals and grand totals. Now save this report name as pipeline matrix report current FQ, and mention the description as given here, and select the folder as global sales reports, and click save. We have created the report. Now let's check the challenge. We have completed this challenge successfully. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.